students. Today again I have brought one more topic in grammar, and that's object. So I hope you know what object is, but still I would like to tell you what object is. So in a sentence, the thing which is affected by the action, that is called subject. Sorry, that is called object. And the thing affected can be noun, it can be phrase. तो जिस चीज के ऊपर, जिस व्यक्ति के ऊपर, जिस इंसान के ऊपर क्रिया का प्रभाव होता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। उसको हम हिंदी में कर्म भी कहते हैं। सो हम ऐसे भी कहते हैं कि द थिंग विच इज अफेक्टेड बाय सब्जेक्ट, द थिंग विच इज अफेक्टेड बाय वर्ब, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस। सो वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल। देखिए, राम हेल्प्स रोहन। So in this sentence, who is affected by help? Help किसकी हो रही है? रोहन की। रोहन पे फर्क पड़ रहा है मदद करने का। So रोहन is object. A noun or a phrase which is affected by verb, which is affected by action, that is called object. Look at next sentence. They cleaned the hut. ये जो cleaning verb है, इसका असर किसके ऊपर पड़ा है? द हट, हट के ऊपर। सो दिस इज वर्ब, द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस वर्ब इज ऑन द हट। सो इन दिस सेंटेंस द हट इज ऑब्जेक्ट। सो द फ्रेज और द नाउन अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्शन। तो यहाँ पे क्लीनिंग किसकी हुई है? हट की हुई है। हट इज ऑब्जेक्ट। लुक एट द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट। शी मेड पुडिंग। सो पुडिंग, pudding is object in this sentence. और this made, she made what? pudding. उसने क्या बनाया? pudding. ये जो made verb है, इसका असर किस पे हो रहा है? pudding पे हो रहा है। ये pudding किसका रिजल्ट है? pudding made का रिजल्ट है। so that this is called object. so now object means that part of a sentence which is affected by subject, that part of a sentence which is affected by subject also and by verb also. That is called object in English and कर्म in Hindi. हिंदी में आप लोगों ने कर्म पढ़ा होगा, उसको इंग्लिश में ऑब्जेक्ट है। But now in this video we are going to understand direct object and indirect object. आज हमारा जो वीडियो है इसमें हमारा मकसद है ये जानना what actually is indirect object and direct object. So direct object is that thing, okay, which is being given, which is being purchased, which is being done directly by the subject. जो subject से directly या तो दिया जा रहा है या लिया जा रहा है वो आपका direct object होता है। and direct object gives the answer of what, ये हमारा what का जवाब देता है। secondly, what indirect object is? indirect object क्या होता है? indirect object is a receiver of direct object. indirect object receiver होता है, वो हमारे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को रिसीव करता है। इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑलवेज रिसीव द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वी गिव द आंसर ऑफ हुम। अगर आपका हुम सवाल पूछने से जो जवाब आ रहा है वो आपका इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। अगर आप व्हाट पूछ रहे हैं, जैसे मदर ब्रॉट व्हाट? मैंगोज, दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। Mother brought mangoes for Geeta. So mother brought mangoes for whom? Geeta. So Geeta is indirect. Mother brought what? Mangoes. So that is direct. One more sentence. Ravi gave football to Rohan. Ravi gave what? Football. Direct object. Ravi gave football to whom? Rohan. Indirect object. So indirect object always receive the direct object. Right? Take one more example. Mother purchased dress for her daughter. Mother purchased what? Dress. Direct object. For whom? Her daughter. Her daughter. Indirect object. But now we have few sentences. हम इन sentences को करेंगे और direct object को और indirect object को हम और अच्छे ढंग से समझेंगे। चलिए, we'll do. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me what? Please pass me what? The salt. So this is your direct object. D for direct. Next. To whom? indirect object. This is a direct object, this is an indirect object. Next one. Will you do me a favor? Will you do me what? A favor. This is a direct object. Will you do favor for whom? For whom? For me. Again indirect object. So if you are getting answer of what, that is a direct object. If you are getting answer of whom, that is an indirect object. Next one. The teacher reads a story to the class. The teacher reads what? A story. Direct object. To whom? To the class. Indirect object. Right? Next sentence. Payal bought a new dress for the party. Payal bought what? A new dress. This is a direct object. A new dress. Direct object. For whom? For the party. This is your indirect object. So Payal bought what? A new dress. Direct object. For whom? For the party. Indirect object. Subhas is making lunch for his parents. Subhas is making what? A lunch. Direct object. A lunch. For whom? For his parents. Indirect object. बस हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, अगर what का जवाब मिलेगा तो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है, whom का जवाब मिलेगा तो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट. Could you send me a box of chocolate? So could you send me what? A box of chocolate. Direct object. For whom? किसके लिए? Me. Indirect object. Could you send me what? A box of chocolate. Direct object. For whom? For me. So indirect object. Next one. Mother bought Giri a gaming console. Mother brought what? A gaming console. ये लेके आई मम्मा. This is a direct object. किसके लिए लेके आई है? गिरी के लिए. This is an indirect object. For whom? For Giri. Next sentence. We send our friends in Bangalore a gift. We send what? हमने क्या भेजा है? A gift. Direct object. For whom? हमने किसको भेजा है ये? Our friends. This is an indirect object. We send what? A gift. Direct object. For whom? Our friends. Indirect object. Next. Father cooks some noodles for children. Father cooks what? पापा क्या बनाते हैं? Some noodles. Direct object. For whom? किसके लिए बना रहे हैं? Children के लिए. Indirect object. Very easy students. What का जवाब होगा direct object. Whom का जवाब होगा indirect object. Next. Meera fetched her grandfather a glass of water. Meera fetched what? Meera क्या लेके आई है? A glass of water. Direct object. For whom? किसके लिए लेके आई है? Grandfather. Indirect object. I know this is very easy and you all are understanding very well. Now next one. Raman gave Neeta a pen. Raman gave what? क्या दिया उसने? A pen. Direct object. To whom? किसको दिया है? Neeta को. Indirect object. Next. She bought her sister a skateboard. She bought what? क्या लेके आई है वो? A skateboard. Direct object. For whom? किसके लिए लाई है? Her sister. Indirect object. कितना easy है ना students? Next one. Deepu made a paper frog. Deepu made what? A paper frog. Direct object. इस sentence में indirect object नहीं है. Deepu made what? A paper frog. So direct object. Amrit gave a dog some water. Amrit gave what? Some water. So this is a direct object. Amrit gave what? Some water. To whom? किसको दिया है? A dog. Indirect object. I made birthday cake for teacher. I made birthday cake for teacher. I made what? क्या बनाया मैंने? Birthday cake. Direct object. For whom? किसके लिए बनाया है? Teacher के लिए. Indirect object. Next one. Sarah gave picture to grandma. Sarah gave what? Sarah ने क्या दिया? Picture. Direct object. To whom? किसे दिया है? Grandma. Indirect object. Next sentence. Next sentence. The postman gave indirect object. So students, we did 17 statements. We did 17. You can say we solved 17 problems, and now you very well come to know that when we are getting the answer of what question, then it is direct object. When we are getting answer of when, then it is indirect object, right? So direct object is directly affected by the verb, and indirect object always receive the direct object. So today in this video we did object क्या होता है, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट दो प्रकार से होता है, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्टली ही वर्ब का उसके ऊपर असर होता है, और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वो होता है जो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को रिसीव करता है. So thank you students, and if you have any problem, without any hesitation, let me know your problems so that your ma'am can help you out. Thank you.